Well, I was a little worried I wasn't gonna know what to say, but I'm just gonna wing it today. So I'm just kind of doing this vlog as a little bit of an update on what's been going on with my channel. So obviously I've been on kind of what I would call a 4-month hiatus, or 5-month maybe. I haven't posted or even attempted to do anything in a couple of months. A lot of you obviously know that this is my senior year of college. I'm graduating, and it's been a rough one. Obviously I'm an education major, so I've been doing a lot of student teaching things, lesson planning, making a lot of stuff from scratch, and with all that came a lot of time and effort. And as you know, nothing's ever, straight to the end. So with a couple of trials and tribulations, I've thankfully made it through most of the hard part. I've got a lot of the work done, and I'm kind of ready to have a little bit of a summer before I go straight into grad school, which I am doing. I'm starting my program to get a Master's of Education in Reading shortly after I graduate in May. I believe I graduate May 5th, and I'm starting my classes on May 14th. And my birthday is the 16th, so obviously that's going to be a huge blast of fun. I've really just been trying to focus on school and graduating in time, but now that I've got a little bit of time and I've finally hit some spring break time, I had the opportunity to make a couple of videos that'll probably last the next couple of weeks, at least through April, and maybe a little bit in the beginning of May. Some are a little bit more fun, vloggy type things, kind of like this. Others are actual crafts. I've got a couple of challenges coming up. $0 challenge I'm going to be doing, I think, next week, and I've got recreating some of my old pieces. In the last couple of weeks, months maybe, I've been getting a weird amount of steady stream of subscribers, so I guess this is for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy what's to come. I can't guarantee that after this couple of weeks of fun that I'm gonna be able to keep doing this. I don't know what grad school holds for me or what kind of time commitment I'm gonna have to be putting into that. I just don't know yet, but I have been on a pretty solid mission to try to finish up, not really finish up, but kind of get rid of some of the extra craft supplies that I've accumulated from, X amount of years of making videos and crafts that really don't go anywhere. But that's kind of where everything is at right now. Hopefully you like what's to come. Next video is going to be coming out Sunday at noon, the usual old time. So yeah, I also wanted to use this time, if you have any questions for me. I think it might be kind of fun to do a Q&A just so I can have my subscribers get to know me a little bit better, especially the ones that are newer and maybe haven't had the opportunity to see some of my older stuff. So if there's anything you want to know about me, just leave it in the comment section down below, and maybe I'll make a Q&A video coming up soon. So thanks for sticking around for the ride, guys. See ya.